And what else was I going to tell you?
Girls on me, on the dance floor, all eyes on me. Who is he? Then you better come get your girl dog. All eyes on me, party like a rock star. You can find me in VIP. All eyes on me, yeah, where the girls are. This is how young nights be. All eyes on me.
All eyes on the prize, money supersized. G5 super fly, should be supervised.
Ooh, welcome to Carter's. We're back at it again in the kitchen. We are making a subscriber requested pie. And as you saw from the title, it is a peanut butter pie. Never heard of such, but I did go to a restaurant and I tried it. It was fantastic. If you are a Carterian, you know that I love peanut butter. I like to get a spoonful before I go to bed at night. Listen, housekeeping, subscribe, thumbs it up, and share the video. And be certain you leave a comment below. If you've ever tried, or what is your favorite type of peanut butter? My name is Lisa. Here at Carter's Eat, we like to eat. My parents live with us. We have an AJ, who's 8, a son. Blake, a daughter, who's 5, April 16th. My husband, Arthur, who likes to cook, and me, who likes to eat. But today, I'm making the pie. So let's get right into it. Here's what we need. We've got your Philadelphia cream cheese. I like Peter Pan. There's your Peter Pan. Get some, get some, get some, get some. There is your condensed milk and Cool Whip and a pie crust. And we're gonna whip it all up in this bowl, drop it in this pie crust, and get out the way. Be sure you go ahead and subscribe now if it's your first time here. And if they're a fellow Carterian, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for stopping in. Okay, let's get started. You won't see my face, you'll see the bowl, okay? Thank you. Okay, I don't know if there's any measurements, so we're really gonna wing this together. It's a subscriber request. It's a friend of mine from the YMCA, and he said, just do it. So I know the first thing, we had this cream cheese at room temperature. We drop the cream cheese in. Oh, I love some cream cheese, don't y'all? Not quite soft as I wanted it. Ooh, it's gonna be difficult, Jesus. Okay, there's your cream cheese. What I'm supposed to do, I swear, sweeten. Really? The blender. No, I do not have a blender. I do not have a blender. I didn't put it on my bridal registry. So we definitely probably need 2 packs. I swear I don't even want the whole can, but Y'all, that is so good. Okay, we got movement now, y'all. We got movement now. Work all the lumps out. I already know that. And that cheesecake we did together. Please be sure to check out that video. Some channels I want to shout out today. Listen for your name. Dining with Zion. Please be sure and go and subscribe to her channel. Marlon's music channel. Stephanie's 50 and Climbing. LSP Productions. Yeah, I'm making all that noise on purpose. Tiana, I Can Only Be Me. Oh, it mashes up nicely. Look at that. So we said LSP, Stephanie's 50 and Climbing, Tiana, I Can Only Be Me, Dining with Zion, and Marlon's music channel. And my girlfriend, Buffy Paris. Get there, get there, get there, get there, get there. Please be sure to visit. I may have overshot. I may have put too much peanut butter, family. Please be sure to visit my good girlfriend. I think I did, y'all. Mama Ray Ray. Instructions were to do those two first and then come with the Cool Whip. My friend, Mama Ray Ray. I have a sign in my kitchen that says, in this house, we dance in the kitchen. So I can't even do a video without comment, commit, and stick. Comment, commit, and stick. Comment, commit, and stick. Here at Carter Z, here at Carter Z, here at Carter. Okay. See Mima on the front porch? I'm good. I can edit it out. I'm making a video. We're adding in our Cool Whip. Airy. Oh, you guys, it looks amazing. you guys. I do. That's me, Mom, making her debut. She said, you need a blender. I said, I do. What we're going to do is taste it. That's amazing. Oh. You have some. No. There you go. You guys have some. I'm using a different phone today. So there's the eye. I think the eye's on. Who knows where the eye is? Up there, down there. So one cream cheese was sufficient. It worked out just fine. Move the pie around, get her good and comfortable in the crust. Ooh, ain't that pretty? I used about 3/4. I only left 1/4 of the can of condensed milk. And we're gonna let this sit in the refrigerator, and I'll have to leave it on my community post, our final product. Or we'll let it sit in the refrigerator. Maybe we'll come back and do this together. But I can tell you what, she sure is pretty. Thank you for coming to Carter's Eat. Guess what? The first 50 comments can lick this food. You guys, there's that peanut butter pie with Cool Whip and cream cheese and Carnation Milk. We let it sit in the refrigerator for 3 hours. And we have some melted white chocolate chips. There's Blake, say hi. And we're just gonna drizzle a little bit of it on my peanut butter pie. Just a little bit.
Are you gonna taste it and see if it's better?
That is sure not
Can I taste it?
pretty. You can't eat peanut butter. That's the unfortunate part, y'all. The kids are allergic to peanut butter.
Not eat the peanut.
So there is the peanut butter pie. And honey, it's gonna be fantastic. Thank you for coming to Carter's. Blake painted my nails. Jesus! Here comes Blake.
Right here. That's more. That's well.
Blake, get your finger out my pie. Blake!
Blake. Come on, baby.
Mommy's
Hold on, Blake. I got to get Daddy's reaction.
Not bad.
He went right into the freaking refrigerator and took my pie out, y'all. And you know I like to do a demonstration, a presentation.
It's right here.
He needs that spoon.
I'm gonna scoop it. Can I scoop it?
I'm gonna beat him, y'all. The pots and pans I just washed. No, you cannot touch me. AJ, call off the cart.
All right.
Blake, can you share with the Carterians, Mr. Author, your thoughts?
It's not bad. Not a peanut butter person, but it's good. It's actually good. It's actually good.
He ate the whole thing. I thought he was gonna bring over here and feed me, y'all.
Not bad.
Really good. Not bad to him means it's really good. Why is this man in my pie that I made for you guys?
Okay, here you go.
Carterians.
Give it to her.
Mommy,
Hold on.
you're not
Y'all
gonna see
it?
my face.
Y'all see it? Okay. Hold on.
He was supposed to give that one to me. Jesus.
There you go.
I don't want that. He's still in my pie. Y'all know we like to cut, make a presentation. You're not gonna see me.
How about it? All right.
Stiffen that up a little bit more. Oh my God.
Not bad.
Oh. Thank you for coming to Carter's.
Open up your eyes, head to the sky, keep a mean bad mommy on the side. Make a tsunami, kamikaze on the mind, spit flow, paparazzi, flash shine, get dough, champagne.